Welcome to today's explainer. Look, if you're a teenager, a total beginner, or honestly just someone looking to simplify your life and save some of your hard-earned cash, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we're breaking down how to build a highly effective step-by-step daily skincare routine using some literally unbelievably affordable products. So let's just dive right in.
Okay, let's dive into this with a quote that really sets the tone for everything we're looking at today. Remember that a good cleanser doesn't have to be expensive. It totally challenges that massive misconception in the beauty world that a high price tag automatically equals high quality. It really doesn't. The real secret to great skin, especially when you're just starting out, is consistency. It's all about finding gentle formulas that won't totally strip your skin and then just using them day in and day out. Here's our quick blueprint for today so you'll know exactly what to do and when. We've got 1. Budget skincare for beginners. 2. Your simple morning routine. 3. Your simple evening routine. 4. Affordable extras and toners. And finally, 5. Important final skincare tips.
Starting with Section 1, Budget Skincare for Beginners. Great skin without breaking the bank. Moving right along to Section 2, Your Simple Morning Routine. Prep and protect for the day. If you're kicking off your very first skincare journey, I know the sheer volume of products out there can be, well, completely overwhelming. But this morning phase, it's basically your daily armor against things like the sun and pollution, and it really just boils down to 3 fundamental steps: cleanse, hydrate, and protect. That is literally it. Master these 3, and you're already way ahead of the game. Let's check out some of the top budget picks for each of these right now. Now, what's really interesting here is the number 35, specifically 35 Mexican pesos. That is the ridiculously low price point to tackle our very first step, which is cleansing. And we aren't talking about some harsh generic soap here. You can actually get a dermatologist-recommended cleanser for that price. For that incredible price, one major recommendation is the Dove Nutro Soap. It is packed with ingredients that deeply moisturize while pulling away impurities and excess oil. So it's a fantastic all-arounder for pretty much all skin types. But hey, if you have more specific needs, there's also the Greasy Nutro Soap, which is actually even cheaper, coming in around 20 to 30 pesos. It's totally hypoallergenic, completely free of fragrances and dyes, making it an absolute lifesaver if you struggle with sensitive teenage skin, acne, or dermatitis. You really just have to pick the one that fits your skin's unique personality. Now, I know some of you are probably thinking, ugh, I really don't want to use a bar of soap on my face. And you know what? That's completely fine. There's a fantastic alternative out there. For just around 65 pesos, you can grab a gel cleanser that's formulated with hyaluronic acid. It gives you a wonderfully thorough wash, but without leaving any of that tight, greasy residue behind. It just hydrates and leaves your skin feeling incredibly soft. Okay, moving to step 2 of our morning routine, hydrate. And please listen closely to this tip. Even if you have oily skin, you absolutely must moisturize. Seriously, if you don't, your skin is just going to overcompensate and produce even more oil. We found 2 incredible budget options for this. For about 60 pesos, the Pond's Acclarant Cream is a total powerhouse for normal to oily skin. It actively works to even out your skin tone and dial down spots and redness. Or for around 80 pesos, the Nivea 5-in-1 Cream gives you this deep, lightweight hydration for all skin types. Plus, it actually doubles as a really great primer to prep your skin for makeup. And that brings us to the 3rd and final morning step, protect. Sunscreen is, without a doubt, absolutely non-negotiable. It reduces dark spots, stops premature aging in its tracks, and is your main defense against sun damage. And honestly, the best part? You do not need to drop a fortune to get high-quality protection. There are incredible SPF 50 sunscreens out there, which is a really solid level of protection, by the way, that absorbs super fast, won't leave you feeling like a grease ball, and are entirely paraben-free, all for just 70 to 75 pesos. Section 3, your simple evening routine. Cleanse and repair. Let's move to the evening and see how this all builds together. While your morning is all about prep and protection, the evening sequence shifts gears to cleansing away the day's debris and letting your skin repair itself overnight. The steps are: first, remove makeup and impurities. Second, cleanse. And third, hydrate. It basically mirrors the morning routine, but we swap out the sunscreen for a dedicated makeup and impurity removal step. This is super important because it ensures your actual cleanser can reach your skin, instead of just smearing old makeup around your face. And to nail that first evening step, you literally only need 30 pesos. Yep, for about 30 Mexican pesos, you can pick up a Bifásico makeup remover, specifically the Nell brand. This is a dual-phase liquid that works wonders on both the face and that super sensitive eye area. It gently pulls away stubborn makeup and the daily grime, leaving your skin perfectly soft and perfectly prepped for your regular cleanser. Section 4. Affordable extras and toners, leveling up your basic routine. Once you've really mastered those foundational steps, you can start targeting specific skin concerns. And this brilliantly illustrates how you can level up without spending a ton. Look at these toners from Jaloma. They cost merely 40 pesos each. If you're battling redness, acne, or excess oil, the rose water is going to be your best friend for leaving the skin balanced and luminous. On the flip side, if your skin feels tight or kind of dull, the aloe vera toner works absolute wonders to balance your skin's pH and lock in some really deep, soothing hydration. There are a couple more hidden gems I have to mention. There's a Sensacine toner that's formulated with coconut water and hyaluronic acid, and it delivers this massive burst of hydration for only 30 pesos. Oh, and we definitely can't forget the lips. If you suffer from severely chapped or cracked lips, grab a tube of Carmex Strawberry Lip Balm. It will deeply heal and smooth them out for roughly 50 pesos. It's a total game changer. Section 5. Important final skincare tips. The golden rule. So the crucial point is this. Before you run out and buy all these fantastic budget items, there is one extremely important final rule you have to follow. Always, always do a patch test. All this means is applying a tiny amount of any brand new product to a small, discrete area of your skin, like right behind your ear or maybe on your inner arm. Then you just wait and see if there's any redness, itching, or an allergic reaction. Because honestly, no matter how gentle or affordable a product is, everyone's skin is uniquely different, and safety has to come first. Okay. Here is your ultimate cheat sheet. We've mapped out the AM routine, the PM routine, and the top budget picks we've discussed today. Just seeing it laid out like this really proves how simple and accessible a great skincare routine actually is. You've got your morning cleanse, hydrate, and protect. You've got your evening removal, cleanse, and hydrate. For well under 200 Mexican pesos total, you can build a complete dermatologist-quality, highly effective daily routine that protects and nourishes your skin. That's practically unbeatable. It is truly amazing what you can achieve when you focus on the right ingredients instead of just falling for the highest prices. So I want to leave you with this final thought and a question. Which of these incredible budget products are you going to add to your routine first? Remember, at the end of the day, the absolute best skincare routine is the one you actually stick to. Thanks for hanging out and learning with me today on this explainer. And hey, here's to great skin without breaking the bank.